Thank you. A very warm good evening to one and all present here. I, Deepank Raka, Student Manager, BIM HRD, feel honored in welcoming Mr. Rajendra Mathrani, Business Head of Geetanjali Group. We welcome you, sir. Sir is a BA honors and has done PGDM in Marketing and Finance from NMIMS Mumbai. He has over 25 years of professional experience in diversified fields of textile, ready-made garments, gems, and jewelries. He has been associated with companies like Standard Mills, Madura Coats, and Aura Diamonds prior to Gitanjali. Sir began his journey by selling ribbons and artificial jewelries in streets. He then rose from floor assistant at Oberoi to business head of Gitanjali Brands Limited, a subdivision of 12,000 crore Gitanjali conglomerate, through his sheer hard work and determination. Now I request Swapnil to introduce our second speaker, Ms. Seema Naharia.
Thank you, Soumya and Ankur. A very good evening to one and all present here. I, Swapnil Patel, Student Manager, BIM HRD, feel great honored in welcoming Mrs. Seema Naharia, Channel Head Lifestyle Products of Gitanjali Group. We welcome you, ma'am. Ma'am is BCom from GD Saraf College, Mumbai, and has done PGDBM in marketing from Wellinger, Mumbai. Ma'am has over 14 years of professional experience in financial sectors. She is currently working as the channel head of lifestyle products since 2008. Now, I request ma'am and sir to grace us with their words of wisdom.
Hi.
Hello. Hello.
Good evening, friends. Don't call me sir, because I know once upon a time I used to sit at back benches, and big applaud means go early. And I'm sure I won't take more time, because you people are already tired, extremely tired, I feel. No? You will have to bear with me then. Thanks. I think I need to shake you up, wake you up, and the guy sitting next to you, it is your responsibility to wake him up from the sleep. So I will make you do a big exercise. You have to hold the hands of each other now, and 3 times you have to scream with me. Check up, he is sleeping, not sleeping. 3 times you will say with me, Ubuntu. You will say 3 times, scream, Ubuntu. इससे जोर से Ubuntu. और जोर से Ubuntu. I will share with you what is the meaning of Ubuntu later on. Few of you are aware what is Ubuntu? Aware? Not aware? Good, even I am not aware. Okay. Guys, I know what you expect. You have invested a lot of money to come to these colleges. Your parents' money, few of them you have taken loans, and all of you are looking for a good life. Post this our discussion, the biggest question for you will be, okay, what is there in for me? Will I get a good placement? Will I get a good job? And what is there in for me? Here we want to give you a presentation, but it is not going to be a presentation, because when we spoke to your students, they said, please don't give a PPT. There will not be a PPT. We want to just exchange our views. When we hire people, what do we expect from them? And what is the progress, what is the journey of progress? And how you can reach up to the CEO level or a business head or a director level. These journeys are not easy, but not so difficult. Your college is already standing on those 3 principles. You may find these are only just 3 words, but they mean it. They mean quite a lot. Today, you will not feel, but over a period of time, after 5 years or 10 years, you will know what's the importance. When we hire young people like you, we find little bit, now you are in first year. Most of you are in first year? Okay. First, all? Fine. And I think you will choose your specialization after first semester. Second, all? Thank God. When we hire people, they come with set minds. I am from marketing. I am from HR. I am from finance. I am from operations. Okay, fine. So you begin your journey. Fine. We hire you. Then what happens? Next is what? You are hired by an organization who is into business. The organization wants to do their business, they want to grow with their business, that's why they have hired you. We want to connect all of you, all your functions are in the center. That's a wheel of business. Don't ever take your subjects lightly, please. They will have certain importance over a period of time as you move ahead after 4 years, 5 years, 6 years. When a HR function, you think it is just making policies for the employees? When you say resources, finance is absolutely connected with HR, accounts is connected with HR. I remember a small story of Surat. A new commissioner had come and he killed all the stray dogs. He said, I don't like stray dogs, kill them. What happened? After killing all the stray dogs, there was a big plague. All the rats from the earth, they came on the top, and there was a plague. In the organization, if one wheel is not functioning, it affects the whole business. We as a business head, we are sitting in the center. We are not masters of all. What are we then? How do we come in the center? Am I a chartered accountant? No. Am I a PhD in HR? No. Do I know better marketing than any of you? You know better than me. How do we come in the center? Because we are doing multitasking. While we progress, while we are crossing our journey, we are learning everything. We are observing. You know the subjects, we are observing, we are learning, we are doing multitasking. Actually, we are jack of all. A CEO, a business head is jack. And what is he master of? He is master of numbers. All business, the core of a business, the profit, whatever you say, is connected to a number. And we are master of numbers. So guys, don't ever take your numbers lightly. Whenever you are making anything, it has got connection with the business, and that is number. So we are jack of all and master of numbers. I will go little quickly because I know the time is, I will try to finish in half an hour's time. My message is very clear, be connected and do multitasking. When we are taking interviews, we see your attitude, because we know you already got the degree. We take your attitude, we are observing your attitude, whether you are fit, you're going to get fit into our corporate culture, and how good learner you are. So that is going to be a big point we need to have. I'll just say one more thing. You all want to go in a big company. You all want to actually take a position where you will help certain GM, president. Can you please share what are your dreams? Can you please share? Raise your hands and say, any of you, what do you want to be in a company? Please. Anybody?
So in a company, I would want to be a person who could be a talent acquisition head.
Okay, good. Anyone else? You just do randomly, they have dreams, they are not telling you. Excellent, give him a hand. Excellent, excellent. Anyone else? Very good. Anyone else?
I want to have my own production house.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Anyone else?
Sir, I want to open my own NGO.
NGO. Very good. Give her a big hand. Fantastic. Fantastic. This is what we want to hear. And this is what actually you are here for. To start your own business. You becoming part of someone else's business is fine. But have a dream. One day you will start your own business. Why not? Is it impossible? Is it impossible? Then how it is possible? Because we ignore power of small business. See, everybody wants to be big, 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 big. Why? Why can't start small? Freshkin is a project Maharashtra government is coming with collaboration with MEN, Viru Cash Promoter. And recently I was working with them. One of my friends wanted to take franchisee. So we went for a survey at Kamiyoni, Thakur village, and one franchisee shop was open. This vegetable vendor, how much is a sale do you think every day they have? Please guess. 1,000 per day. 5,000 per day. 10,000. 40,000. 5,000. सबसे बड़ा फिगर बोल दो. How much? 13.
Sir, it is based on location where it is.
Simple calculation. Simple calculation. When we were standing in the fishing shop and we were actually getting average a new shop 15,000 rupees a day. And when talking to that shop manager, he said my sale is very, very less. We asked why. There was a vegetable vendor next to him. Very well, he was sitting on the road, extremely well dressed vegetables. And what would be his average sales per day? 80,000 rupees. I tell you the calculation was, 80,000 rupees. 200 rupees vegetables and fruits per day per family. Yes or no? Yes. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Minimum 4 people's family, 200 rupees a day. Normally it goes to 300, 350 rupees. 3,000 flats. He had 300 fixed customers. I am taking taste of your maths now. 200 rupees into 300. What is the same? 60,000? That was his minimum sale. He had 3 or 4 bikers who were actually delivering. His sale is 80,000 rupees, and he is an investor in real estate. Next time you meet a vegetable vendor, ask him, he will tell you, गाँव में 10 acre ज़मीन है, अभी भी है. Please don't underestimate power of small business. There is one samosa maker, Guru Kripa in Bombay, 15,000 samosas a day. 10 रुपए का एक, 1.5 lakh रुपए per day. I will tell you a story of a very small boy like you, who was in Kolhapur. And now he's in Pune. They started a small cake shop and he went into e-com business. 6 years back, e-commerce, nobody knew. He started from a rented flat. Absolutely fights at home.
and family thought, and I was called to made him explain he is going into something foolish. Please stop him. 6 years back or 7 years back, it was started from Kolhapur, a small cake shop. Guys, very, very small. Now he is shifted to Pune. His website is www.indiacakes.com. Sales 6 crore rupees per annum. I look towards you. All of you have powers. Who stopped? Who stopped you? Because you are looking for big things from day one. Big companies, big money, big loans, big stakes, big risk. These are the very nice stories. Please take the balance sheet of the company. I work in a company, 12,000 crores. My department is 600 crores, but I know the debts because I need to service them. I need to pay the interest. We undergo tremendous stress. Big is very nice to hear. Very difficult to face and manage. Please start something small. You invested X amount in your education. Please remove small amount, 50,000, please a lakh. Don't start alone. हर एक फ्रेंड जरूरी होता है. और जो सबसे लफंडर होगा वो सबसे जरूरी होता है. क्योंकि पुलिस ने अगर बाइक पे पकड़ा तो वही तुमको छुड़ा के लाता है. राइट गाइस? तो हर एक जो जरूरी होता है 50,000 रुपीज. थोड़ा सा खर्चा इधर उधर काम कर लो, 2 लाख रुपए जमा कर लो. एंड प्लीज, as I told you, be master of numbers. 2 लाख रुपए सीख कर 2 लाख रुपए में इतना कुछ सीख लोगे जिंदगी का तजुर्बा. लाइफ will please don't underestimate power of this small business. Please start with small. I will go quickly to the next. All of you, please don't be shy of this world. You're extremely shy. Can you shout loudly? I don't know. आवाज ही नहीं. I don't know. खड़े होके बोल के से खड़े होके I don't know. When you will know that you don't know, then you will know. एक मिस्टेक हम देखते हैं whenever we sit in a business presentation, we see a biggest mistake. The word is used is very often is versus. This versus that. This versus that. होता है कि नहीं होता? होता है? ये वर्सेस वो, मार्केटिंग वर्सेस सेल्स वर्सेस HR वर्सेस दिस, होता है कि नहीं होता है? Why not use the word and? ये भी वो भी. Why not? Who's stopping you? Whenever we make some presentation, when we have some business plan, we say somebody starts telling this versus that, we say this and that. Out of 10 new business plans, in my 6 years, I made 48, only 2 are successful, 44 are failure, or 46 are failure. We make plans, they go fail, but use the power of and. So these are the 2 words, I don't know, and will take you absolutely, they will break your mental balance. Now I go to the slide, be emotional. आप में से रोते कौन कौन? Oh my God, रोते हैं. रुलाते कौन कौन है? मुझे लगा कुछ प्रोफेसर भी हाथ ऊपर करेंगे. बुला के रखिए। Guys, थोड़ा सा ऐसे लगता है, what we feel is professional word is used for brutality. To become brutal. Many times we hear this, I am professional. It makes big deal. Somebody is explaining a plan, actually a problem, sir, मेरे घर में ये problem है. He tells, don't tell me your problem, I am professional, I don't want to hear your problem. Why? Right. What is the meaning of professional? Rude? Brutal? Or he knows his job, or he is ex. Can you tell me what is professional? Can you please? What is the meaning of professional? So who overreacts to your problem? She is not ready to take it. Who doesn't overreact? Is he professional? Some words in English, they are evolved. और उसका substitute, and I have found substitute in Hindi, professional is काबिलियत. इसके आगे कुछ नहीं. आपका प्यून, office assistant, he is doing his job properly, he is professional. Please don't say कि professional wear suits and ties, they are professionals. The guy who is working in logistics in my department till 8:30, 9 o'clock, sometimes I check it up, I call him up, why are you waiting? He says, नहीं, ये कल जाना ज़रूरी है. Who is professional? I am sitting at home or he is working in the office. Guys, be emotional. This world is emotional. Get connected to your company, to your friends, to your parents, to your job emotionally, to your product. Finally, we are into selling, and get connected to your consumer emotionally. That's all. And my colleague, she will tell you, because what we feel is everybody is talking about success, 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 and we feel that it needs to be balanced, because all of you, or more, most of you will try to get good salaries. You need to have a balanced life. So we need to tell you, okay, balance yourself. Career is part of life. Life is not part of career. My colleague, she will explain. Seema.
Hello. Good evening, friends. How are you? Not bored? Okay, I will ask you one question. What is life?
WhatsApp. Life is WhatsApp.
Yeah, exactly.
Facebook. Life is
Face-
Facebook.
Yeah, right. See, as per my experience and my research, I have come on conclusion that life is just a first preference I will give to personal life management. That is individual you, what you are. And then it is family life management. Then it comes to social life management, and then career life management, and then emotional life management. Normally, I have divided into 20-20%, that is equal to 100%. So that is life for me. This is life management. Like, I mean to say that don't be highly ambitious only. Just focus on all the sectors, like your be highly ambitious for your personal growth, for your personal life, for your family life, for your social life, and for your emotional life. Like, never dominate your knowledge to your emotions. Right? Okay.
Yeah.
Any question
I will
related
just-
with life?
Yeah, sorry.
No questions?
Can I share you?
You want to be like this? Then why you are not asking questions? You want to be like, sorry. Sorry, I forgot. So you don't want to be like him. Then you have to be balance your life. In personal life, family, social, career, emotional. I'll give you one example for that. Mr. Amitabh Bachchan is balanced life for me because he's a successful, he's a good family-oriented person, and he's balanced his social life and his career life, all the lives. Sorry. 1 second.
Hi guys, I think we are also running short of time and you people are, we'll wrap up a little fast and we'll not take more than 2 more minutes. We started with Ubuntu, we'll finish with Ubuntu. I will tell you the story of Ubuntu. We just wanted to connect you with, I know if we could, there are a couple of more videos. Actually, when you ask, somebody asked question of CSR, we wanted to show the kind of people actually we hired and we are working with them. You will feel proud about them. Because real life, real heroes are not in picture, not in business books. They are around you. So please, whenever you see anybody doing their job or exceeding their limits, please recognize them as a hero in your day-to-day life. Ubuntu, I will wrap up with Ubuntu. Ubuntu is about sharing. Ubuntu is a philosophy. A small race was put in Africa and all children were made to run and there was a basket of fruits kept and they were asked to run and whoever run faster will get maximum fruits. What did those children, they refused to run. They refused to run. Instead of running, they were holding the hands together and then they sang Ubuntu, Ubuntu, Ubuntu. It means, how can I be happy if you are sad? And that's the philosophy of life. Ubuntu means philosophy. Ubuntu is the word that Nelson Mandela used for freedom struggle in Africa. Please check on Wikipedia. Ubuntu is humanity. If you are not human, you cannot be a good manager. Thanks, guys. So we want to, I think we have, do you think we should show you the video? Do you have, we have a couple of guys actually working with us. So we thought 4 minutes we'll take, 4 or 5. Fine, we'll wrap up. These are real life, real heroes. What we are trying to communicate to you is, see them in real life. Just have a video clip.
Yeah, before that, just let me complete what is life. Life is personal life and family life and social life and emotional life and career life. It is not only career is life, not only social is life. So it is a perfect life. Now we'll have videos. This is my colleague Vishal.
He's actually working with us. He is now, while working, he finished his BCom. He's working with us since last 3 years. And he finished his BCom while studying. Now he wants to pursue. We are actually, all of us are pushing him for MBA. And please look at Vishal.
Please lights off.
In 2 or 3 clips, you will understand what we are trying to communicate. Actually, he was refusing to talk. We yesterday took his video and he said, no, sir, I'm very happy. Please don't show these clips, but we want to share with you. Hold yourself, guys. It's very nice. Very nice.
Hi everybody. My name is Vishal Patel. I'm a commerce graduate and I'm from Patkar College. I like to listen music, play outdoor games. I love to drive a car. I'm just giving a small intro for where I am working and how I am. So I am working in Gitanjali Brands Limited from past 2 to 3 years. I had an awesome experience over here. I'm working as an account assistant. This is my first job. I met different peoples with different kinds of nature. We solve each and every situation. We had a lot of fun over here. I got many things to learn from them. I love here was one thing, that is work environment. Meeting different peoples, sharing each and other problems. It was very fun, or a very good, interesting job, I think. I want to convey a message to you people was, don't give up in your life. Just be positive and go for the best. Thank you.
You see Vishal in second video. You will understand what we are trying to tell you. Please notice very short.
Yeah, please notice. Please observe what we don't have, what we have.
क्लच दबा के करना पड़ेगा क्लच दबा के
Anything did you observe?
Did you notice something?
What?
What? So who is he playing? No? Give him a big hand, guys. In the name of
Vishal,
show
it
him
is
the-
for you.
There is one more. She is our receptionist. And our company is fortunate. They encourage that charity begins at home, and these are not the people actually. I should not use this word. In fact, God has given us everything. We have self-pity. Listen to Sangeeta.
Hello friends, I'm Sangeeta Sharma. I'm commerce graduate from Chetna College. Reading, driving, listening music are my passions. I'm working in Gitanjali Group since last 11 years. It's really great achievement to work in this organization since last 11 years. I'm working as a front desk executive. I played very important roles for my companies, for my organizations. I met many new people, many new faces in these organizations. I learned many things about people's, companies, and their behaviors. I have very good teams to work. I met many people. My friends, my colleagues are really very talented and cooperatives. I'm thankful to all my teams to give me the opportunity to work with them. Thanks for all of them to cooperate with me, to work with me. I'm so happy. My nature is very friendly, and I love to be very friendly and happy. So looking at me, my colleagues all are saying, "Madam, you are very much happiest person, and you always motivate." So I get very much happy and thankful for them. Thank you very much.
Now see the next.
See Sangeeta next.
Now see the next video for Sangeeta. She is Sangeeta. So, Sangeeta, your message?
Wait.
There is one more video, is there?
This we had taken yesterday, actually.
Hi, Sangeeta, give you a message.
Hi, it's a life where we have to enjoy and keep smiling,
Thank you.
face all the difficulties, love and smile.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye. No.
I think we tried to convey our message. Balance your success, balance your money, hold your friends as tight as you can, enjoy life, and have a good night. And we want to wrap up. If you really want to follow, this is the Ubuntu we follow. Scream one more time, Ubuntu! Thanks, good night.
Yeah, guys.
Sir, we request you to please be on the stage.
Yeah, guys, I just want to ask one thing only. What is happiness? Or forget about what is happiness. How to be happy? How? Smile. How to get smile? Okay, how many are operating mobile and computer, laptop, all the gadgets? Okay. If you don't like something, what do you do? So what we have to do? Delete our sadness and keep with us smile. Simple. Thank you.